previous video, we looked at the splice connector, the push connector and the levered connector from Ideal. And we saw how versatile and easy they were to use. We also went to look at their Insure box, a box designed to be used for lighting circuits. However, there's a little hidden gem, and we always like a hidden gem on eFIXX. If we take their levered variety of connector, you don't actually have to lift the lever for two of the types of cable that can go in here. So I've got a piece of solid copper here and the appropriate 10 to 11 mil removed. You don't need to move the lever into the up position. You can just push it into position like so, and that's grab the conductor. And then if you wanted to release it, lift up the lever and the conductor comes out. So you don't have to do the lever, you can just push that into position. Likewise, if I take stranded solid copper, again, I can just push that into the actual connector itself, like so, and it's grasped, and again, lift the lever if you wanted to release it. However, the fine stranded copper, you are going to need to lift the lever, and for me, I would always twist them up before putting them in, so get them super tight. So you lift up the lever, and then you would insert your conductor as we demonstrated previously, so that could go straight into there and grip down. So that's got those three conductors connected. So, little hidden gem, you don't need to lift the levers for the solid or the solid stranded, only the fine stranded. However, you could lift the levers for all three. It's, personal preference for that. Just another quick, I just like using it really. So if we put it on the end, this is their twin and earth strippers. So you pass it through the center, just make sure it grips, squeeze, and remove the mechanical protection, displaying our conductors. And then obviously we can just whip those off. And because they're solid conductors, again, we can just push those into the actual connector itself. So just a little tip there on the levered variety, you can also push solid and solid stranded into the actual connector without lifting the lever.